Earning up to $1,400 per day leverages a side hustle that's proven its worth through consistent, significant financial returns. This method is accessible to anyone with a basic digital device like a laptop, iPad, or mobile phone. It revolves around a content-driven business model where users capitalize on current trends and information demand. By curating and transforming readily available digital content into more valuable formats, individuals can tap into various monetization strategies, such as affiliate marketing, content licensing, or direct advertising revenues. This approach doesn't just promise potential income, it's backed by tangible success stories and requires minimal startup cost, making it an ideal venture for aspiring digital entrepreneurs. Step 1 is straightforward. Navigate to Google News. Think of Google News not just as a site, but as your gateway to trending content. It aggregates news from across the web, giving you access to a diverse array of topics and sources. The key here is strategic selection. Whether you're diving into health, business, technology, or entertainment, choosing the right article is crucial. You're not just simply browsing. You're on a hunt for the most compelling, click-worthy content available. This isn't about passive reading. It's about identifying articles that resonate deeply with audiences, content that strikes a nerve or fills a gap. The initial choice lays the groundwork for the value you'll eventually deliver, turning everyday news into a profitable content stream. Each category offers unique opportunities. Health might lead you to breakthrough medical advancements or wellness trends, while business could open doors to discussions on market shifts or startup culture. The goal? Select articles that will not only attract, but also engage and convert your audience. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. When diving into Google News, the objective is to strategically sift through the vast array of articles to pinpoint those that are not only relevant, but gripping. Focus should be on niches that have proven to be particularly engaging to audiences. For example, within the health sector, topics like weight loss always garner significant attention due to their widespread relevance and the personal connection many feel towards achieving a healthier lifestyle. Choosing the right article involves more than a cursory glance. It requires analyzing the content for unique insights, expert opinions, or groundbreaking research that can captivate an audience. Consider the headline's impact. Does it invoke curiosity or promise to solve a common problem? Then delve deeper into the content. Look for articles enriched with data, personal stories, or novel solutions that differentiate them from the mundane. A perfect example would be selecting an article that discusses a new scientific approach to weight loss, perhaps highlighting a recent study that overturns old dieting myths. Such content not only draws readers due to its informative nature, but also because it challenges their existing beliefs, encouraging deeper engagement. This meticulous selection process is fundamental. It's not merely about finding content, it's about discovering a narrative that resonates on a personal level with readers. By focusing on articles that provide value and provoke thought, you set the foundation for creating compelling content that not only draws readers in, but also encourages them to interact with and share the material. Once you've identified an article that aligns with your objectives, the next step is to leverage technology to repurpose this content legally and ethically. This involves using AI tools to transform existing articles into original content. It's not about merely changing a few words. It's about adding value and perspective, ensuring the revised piece stands out as unique and insightful. To start, copy the text from the chosen article and feed it into an AI tool like ChatGPT. The goal here is to instruct the AI not to just tweak, but to significantly alter and expand upon the ideas presented. You should focus on enhancing the article's depth, providing new insights, or applying a different angle to the same topic. Simultaneously, it's crucial to navigate the legal landscape by ensuring the transformed content is free from plagiarism. Harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT for content rewriting is not just about rewording, it's about transforming the source material into something that engages and retains the reader's interest while maintaining originality. When you input your request into ChatGPT, be specific rather than general. For instance, instead of asking, "Can you rewrite this article?" specify what you want, such as transform this article into an informative guide for beginners. Expand on each key point with examples and ensure a conversational tone. This precision guides the AI to generate the desired content that is not only different in wording, but also in depth and perspective. To ensure the content resonates with your audience, direct ChatGPT to include elements that boost engagement, questions, call to action, or intriguing data points. For originality, instruct the AI to add unique case studies or contemporary examples that aren't in the original text. This strategy helps in crafting content that feels fresh and tailored to current trends. One common mistake is over-reliance on the AI's first draft. Treat the AI-generated text as a first draft, not a final product. It's crucial to manually review and tweak the content. Look out for repetitive phrases, unnatural language, and any remnants of the original wording that might slip through. Utilizing specific prompts for different sections of your content can significantly enhance the output structure and relevance. For instance, if the original article includes technical data, your prompt could be, explain these statistics in layman's terms and relate them to everyday experiences. This method helps in creating content that is accessible and engaging to a broader audience. To prevent your content from being flagged as AI-generated, which can impact its credibility in SEO, employ techniques like interspersing personal anecdotes if appropriate, using idiomatic expressions, and including opinionated statements. These elements are typically challenging for AI to replicate in human-like manner. After rewriting, use plagiarism checkers and tools designed to detect AI-generated content. Platforms like Grammarly or Copyscape can ensure your content is original, while tools like Originality.ai help identify if a text might be perceived as AI-generated. By integrating these strategies, you elevate the rewritten content from merely being a derivative piece to a valuable and original article that stands out in its own right. Creating a website dedicated to affiliate marketing is a straightforward yet powerful strategy for turning quality content into a revenue stream. Here's the brass tacks on setting up a site that not only looks professional, but also primes you for earning from affiliate links embedded within your articles. First, secure a domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that aligns with your niche, be it health, technology, or any other focus area, and connect with a hosting service that offers stability and good customer support. WordPress often comes highly recommended for its flexibility and ease of integration with countless affiliate programs and plugins designed specifically for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for the uninitiated, is a performance-based model where your earnings are commission-driven. You promote someone else's products or services on your site. For every sale made through your affiliate links, you receive a percentage. This method is highly appealing due to its passive income potential. Your content works round the clock, generating income long after it's published. The vitality of this business model lies in its scalability and potential for significant revenue without the need for inventory or direct sales. When executed correctly, it can be extraordinarily lucrative. Successful affiliates often harness the power of targeted, high-quality content combined with SEO tactics to drive substantial traffic to their sites. This traffic then translates to higher conversion rates through well-placed affiliate links, highlighting real-life success. Many affiliates rake in substantial earnings, some surpassing 6 figures annually, illustrating the lucrative potential of well-strategized affiliate content. By focusing on high-quality, SEO-optimized articles that provide genuine value to your readers, your site becomes a magnet for traffic that translates to clicks and eventually commissions. Launching your affiliate marketing website is the final leap towards beginning your journey in generating income online. Once your site is polished and loaded with quality, SEO-optimized articles integrated with affiliate links, it's time to go live. Activate your website with just a few clicks, making your digital presence known and starting the traffic flow. Additionally, consider direct monetization opportunities, such as submitting high-quality articles to platforms that pay for content. These platforms often compensate generously per word, providing another revenue stream. This method not only enhances your earnings, but also expands your visibility in the digital space. By effectively setting up your affiliate marketing website and harnessing the power of curated content, you open up a stream of passive income that can scale dramatically with the right strategy and persistence. As you launch your website and engage with your audience, remember, every piece of content could be a revenue-generating engine. Now, as your digital platform goes live, the real work and the real rewards begin. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.